Something's messing with our phone. Obviously, it's a hawk. You can tell by the turkey hiding. Let's go see if we see a predator out here. That tree didn't fall, man. Oh, there's the glass sheets. I still have a few left. I thought they all got broke. Dude, if I knew that they were still here, that's 2 original glass sheets from Bay City, Texas. Wow. I didn't know this is where they were. I'm gonna start using those. What is it, guineas? Y'all got eggs over here, don't you? Bingo, I found the eggs. Okay. There ain't that many of them. Ow! I just got thorned. I doubt that's the only one. There's probably a bunch of them over here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab them up. No, I'm gonna leave that alone. Cause they just started laying there. I'll wait until there's a bunch of them. Ow! They just got me in my head. dude, that's just throwing me all down my back. Dude, I got holes all in my head. I got thorns all in my head, dude. I don't know why all my chickens aren't out. Dude, I got thorns deep in my head, dude. Ow. What's up, Pepe? Why is that all the way open? Let me grab these Sherman eggs before they eat them. Hey, Mama, you laying an egg for that there? That's what you want to get when she's still sitting on it. No egg yet? Go on, lay your egg, Mama. Go on and lay your egg, Mama. Go on, Mama. Go lay that egg, Mama. I ain't mean to disturb a pimp and a player. I'm still pulling stuff out in my... I'm still pulling the thorns out my head. Yep, I gotta fix this door today. Hawk Tula! Tula, Tula! Hawkatua! Look at that mouse. They done ate all that food. Man, they hungry for some more food. Hey, beautifuls. Hey, Mama. Hey, Hawktua. What you doing, baby girl? Hey, Hawktua. What's up, pretty girl? Yeah, I gave you some food last night. You get your food? Yeah, you like your water bowl there, huh? What you looking at, sucker? Let's see if we got any eggs. I think I'm gonna have to get the chickens out of there. That's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna get the chickens out and I'm just gonna see how they react without the chickens in there. This is just what I do. I walk around my farm when I hear my animals in distress. I come out and I do just a simple walk around. I might do this 15 times a day. It's what we gotta do to make sure our babies are safe. Damn, they're laying some eggs now. They ain't messing around. It's egg-mactatious time, baby. Now that it's a little warmer, they'll start popping them babies out left and right. I just had a bunch of babies hatch yesterday. A bunch of chickens. And a bunch of little baby quail. Alright, y'all, remember to God all things apart together and live your dreams. Do what makes you happy. Build your own dynasty. Peace!